Hey, it's Ethan with ComTech. I'm here today to show you how the ComTech desktop phone app works. So let's go over to my laptop now so I can show you how it works. First thing you want to do is go and download the ReachUC desktop app. So if you just type in ReachUC, it will come up. If you Google ReachUC, you can go right here to reachuc.com, or you can click on the downloads. You just simply click on Windows or Mac or whichever one you're on, and it'll run a little file, and that's all there is to it. I have already opened it up, and here it is right here. To log in, you're going to use the exact same username and password that you use for the mobile app. So if you know that, then great. If you don't know that, of course, just email us at support@comtechnc.com. You will have to agree to the terms. Again, you can read those terms if you would like. You click sign in. When you click sign in, I'm actually going to expand this out so we can see it a little bit better. But let's go through quickly what the different tabs are. First thing, of course, is the keypad. As you can see, you just simply dial a number and then choose call. Or if you wanted to text that number, let's use our main number. If you hit the enter key, what it's going to do is it's going to drop you down to what ReachUC calls a conversation. So on the left-hand side, you can see I've had all my recent conversations, and you can go here and you can type in something and click enter. If your account has been enabled for ReachUC or business texting, then you will be able to do that no problem. But if not, then it'll let you know and say, hey, you don't have access. And again, contact support@comtechnc.com. From here, you can just call them if you would like as well. But that is the keypad. It works like a standard keypad. You can use the search up here in the top if you would like. If you know someone that maybe is in your contacts or something, you can use them there as well. The next piece is the contacts. All contacts are going to be pretty much all of these, all combined. Quick dial, if you had any contacts that you've saved as favorites, then those will be in your quick dial. And I'll show you how to do that in just 1 second. PBX is all going to be your internal contacts. And you can see right here for Alex, if you want to add to the quick dial list, this is what I was talking about when I just said add to the favorites. You can just simply click that little star, and now he's over here. You want to remove him, just click the star, and now he's gone. Address book, it is only going to show right here everything that is in my internal contacts right now. If you have installed ReachUC Mobile and you have allowed the app to access your local contacts on your cell phone will actually, all of those contacts will show in here. So you can definitely do that. Call history, that's pretty straightforward. It just shows you what has happened recently. I don't have that many because this is a demo account. Recordings, if you have recorded any of the phone calls, one of the options when you're in a phone call is to record the phone call. So you can do that. If we keep going down the list, PBX, this is the same portal that is on your, if you go out to our website and you go to the phone portal aspect of it, then it's the exact same portal. You'll recognize it there. So it'll show you some recent call history. It'll show you your voicemail if you click messages. So just all of your normal standard pieces. You also can click contacts and you can see all of the different contacts and whether they're on the phone or if they're not on the phone. If they're gray, that means they don't have any phones registered. If they are green, you can see that it means that they are available, or at least their phone is not in use at that time. Now, that's all of the different tabs. Again, talking about the recent here, this list will go pretty long. It'll actually scroll once you get going with it. If you want one of these recents to go away, just simply click that, click the little ellipsis, and click Close Stream. You can also, if you would like, you can just click Close All Streams, and it's saying, hey, do you want to clear the list of recent pieces? If you click yes, now everything will be gone and you'll be back to a clean state or slate. You can do that if you want to. It's 100% up to you. Couple more things and then we're pretty much done with how the app, the basic use of the app. If you go up here in the top right and click on your little user, you will see a volume. So definitely that's the volume for it ringing. So move that up if you want it louder or back it back down. If we go to settings, I'm not going to go through, same way if you've seen my Reach2C mobile app demonstration, I'm not going to go through every option in here. Feel free to go in here and look around, but I will go through a couple. Number one is going to be the notifications. So if you want it to alert you that an incoming call is coming in or a call is coming in, then leave that on. If not, just simply turn these off. It's not a problem. Keyboard shortcuts, if you wanted to use these, you could. You can certainly use those. If you have a contact selected and you press Alt-C, you can do a voice call, that kind of thing. I see a few people using those. The last thing last two things actually I want to show you is if you click the media sources right here, this is where you put in your information. If you have a Bluetooth headset, then you would definitely choose audio input and choose it. Audio output, you can choose your monitor, your speaker, whatever you would like. If you are using video, video can get a little bit tricky. You're not going to be able to, of course, call a client that is not on Reach2C and try to do video because that's not really going to work. But if you're doing it internal into the office, based upon what plan you have and such with Reach2C and with ComTech, then you might be able to use video. The last thing is devices. Down here at the bottom, if you click devices, you're going to be able to see the latest phone that you have connected. So in here I have an iOS device that I have connected, and that is where it is pulling the contacts from. It actually is pretty self-explanatory. Choose your device from which to download the contacts. So you can choose that, and it'll pull that all those contacts into where I showed you just a few minutes ago. Last thing is the voicemail. You can turn on the button if you want to, just like the regular Reach2C. But the last thing that I wanted to show you is this app, as you saw probably at the beginning, it does scale. So if you watch, once I get it down to a certain size, you saw how it scales and it drops these pieces down. I just want to make a mention of that because you do have the ability to, of course, scale this thing down pretty tiny and keep it on the side of your monitor. That way you don't have to keep it blown up the whole time. When you want to turn it off, just simply go here. You can log out or you can just exit out of the app. If you want to completely silence it, it does not have a D&D like the mobile app. So just simply go here and turn the volume all the way down and that will work. But that is the desktop app. Okay, now you have seen the desktop app for the ComTech phone system. If you have any questions, email support@comtechnc.com or give us a call at our main number. Any of the technicians will be more than happy to help you and troubleshoot any issues or answer any user questions that you may have. But thanks for watching.